to edit videos for YouTube. There are many different video editing software options available for editing videos for YouTube. Some popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a professional video editing software that is widely used by filmmakers and video editors. It has a wide range of features and is suitable for more advanced users. Final Cut Pro. This is a professional video editing software developed by Apple. It is primarily used on Mac computers and is popular among Mac users. iMovie. This is a free video editing software that comes pre-installed on all new Mac computers. It has a user-friendly interface and is suitable for beginners. Windows Movie Maker. This is a free video editing software that comes pre-installed on all new Windows computers. It has a user-friendly interface and is suitable for beginners. Here are some general steps to follow when editing a video for YouTube. Import your video clips and any other media that you want to use in your video. Arrange the clips in the order that you want them to appear in the final video. Trim the clips to remove any unnecessary footage. Add transitions between clips to smooth out the transition from one clip to the next. Add any text, graphics, or other overlays that you want to include in the video. Add a background music track or any other audio effects that you want to include. Preview the video and make any necessary adjustments. Export the final video and upload it to YouTube. Keep in mind that these are just general steps, and the specific process may vary depending on the software you are using. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the features and tools of your chosen software before diving into the editing process.